Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new Yo Gava Gava video. Sorry for not posting in like a year, but we are back, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make the new AirPod Pros. All you'll need is a set of regular earbuds with wires, some scissors, and last but not least, a hammer. So what you'll first need to do is get the first earphone and cut it off from the wire using the scissors. So this will provide better sound quality and make it last longer overall. And I've already done the one on the left as well. So now that you've done this, you're already halfway there to getting your brand new AirPod Pros. So after this, you want to get your hammer and hold up one sec, let me just widen out the camera angle. Alright, so I've decided to take it outside for this one to have a harder surface to actually use a hammer. So what the smashing with the hammer will provide, it will provide better Bluetooth capabilities, and also it will provide the noise cancellation function that is very useful. So all you'll need to do is just smash it multiple times until your desired product. And now for the second one. Oh, that one went. Okay, I feel like this one's going pretty well so far. Oh. Okay guys, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy your new AirPod Pros. These are very good quality, and I hope I helped you guys out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make sure to turn on post notifications to get notified whenever we post a new video. Have a good day.